Are we ready to eat some food? Look.
Ooh, prunes.
Let's try it.
Quanto você vai dar, Judy?
Delicious. Um pouquinho, né?
O que é pouquinho?
I don't know, a little spoon like that.
Yummy, yummy, yummy.
Não, pode ser mais.
No, vamos dar só um little taste like this first.
Ah,
Like
first,
this.
okay.
It's chocolate, baby. It's chocolate. Ready? Ready?
I love it.
Oh, yum, 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 yum.
She's confused.
What the hell is
She's
this?
like, what is this?
Yum, 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 yum.
Bah, bah, bah.
Good.
Oh, it's gonna be a mess.
Yum, 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 yum. I think she likes it. Good?
She's like, blah, 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 blah.
I don't think she knows how to do it yet.
Mm.
Is that yummy?
Yum.
Pouquinho toda suja.
Is it yummy?
Hands right in the way. Can you switch hands?
Her face. Oh, let's perfume before you clean up.
I did. I found it.
Look at Daddy. Look at Daddy. Hi, Daddy. Hi, Daddy. Look, I want more. You want more? Oh. I can't do it with this hand. You want more? Hold on. I can't do it with this hand.
Gaga.
It's so yummy. It's so yummy.
She's gonna be wearing a lot of that food.
Oh, no.
Now the hands go in there.
Oh, no.
Now it's gonna be everywhere.
Oh, no. I wonder if she wants more. See if she wants more. You want more? You want more? Can I? Can I? All right, all right. She loves it. She's a little monster.
Yeah.
She's holding on. Oh, baby. Gotta get those other bibs, the plastic bibs.
Delicious.
Enough? No more? No more?
Now she's holding it.
That's right.
And she's chewing on it.
She's trying to suck it.
Mm.
Hello. Hello. Oh, meu Deus, eu tô comendo sozinha, vovó. Eu tô comendo sozinha. I'm a big girl now.
Yep.
Just one more, okay? A little bit more.
Like a dog, she laps it up.
But she has to talk about it when she has it in her mouth. Cadê sua máquina? Não tá aqui?
Oh, meu Deus.
Eu queria um picture, just a regular picture. Oh, hi, Mommy.
Agora.
Baby, Zoe. Zoe. What the hell is this? This is a spoon.
The first bits of food.
The first of many, many, many. What yung case na gano'n? Why?
Must feel good.
That's too far in now.
Yeah, but it's probably her back teeth that are bothering her.
No, always the two front teeth come out first.
Yeah, but it's probably itchy in the back.
She's gonna stick it.
Hmm. Oh, you know what?
Yummy, yummy, yummy. Tá gostoso, tá, filha?
Deus, parece que nunca comi uma espanhada.
Like she never ate in her life.
She hasn't.
Like,
She hasn't. She hasn't. That's the first time she's ever eaten.
No, she ate
She's
bread.
drank. No, she didn't eat bread.
She took little chunks out of it. It got all slobbered and it fell in her mouth. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
She'll be eating marshmallows soon. What a baby.
Você tem ideia de quanto já deu?
Não, tem pouquinho, vou parar agora. Deu só nem muito. It's like chocolate. Chocolate pudding. Acabou. It's prunes. It's the prunes. It's like, this is my friend. This is my friend. Oh my God, prunes.